Hi, my name is Frank Silveira, and today I'll be discussing the results of my Lab 3 for the function generator and oscilloscope. In this lab, we were tasked with using a function generator and an oscilloscope to basically show sinusoidal waves, a sinusoidal waveform. We were tasked with making the function generator, setting up the function generator to have a 6-volt peak to peak 500 hertz sine wave. And so when we actually view that wave on oscilloscope, it would basically have those exact same parameters. It would be 6 volts peak to peak. It'd have a 500 hertz frequency, and it have a period of 2 milliseconds, which is basically 1 over 500, which gives you 0.002 seconds, which then becomes 2 milliseconds. And this was the same no matter what type of wave it was, no matter if it was a triangular wave, a square wave, or even when we just basically reverted it back to a sine wave. Nothing changes as long as the function generator is kept to the same parameters, because that is basically what's actually giving us like that is basically actually what determines the output or the visualization on the oscilloscope. The oscilloscope has no effect on the parameters set up by the function generator. So as you can see, I explained this into more detail right at the bottom right here. Basically what I just said, that the oscilloscope has no actual effect on the original wave. It's just a tool used for visualization, and the function generator is what's actually determining what the wave looks like. And I have some pictures. This is the function generator that I used. As you can see, it has a frequency of 500 hertz. It has amplitude of 6 from peak to peak. And here is just one of the sine waves that I pictured. As you can see, again, 6 to 3 volts up here, negative 3 volts down here, which is 6 volts in total, 6 volts peak to peak. And you can't really see the period on here, uh, or the frequency, but it is a sine wave, as you can see, because it starts from the origin. But these are just visualizations.